How to use Vanilla gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Vanilla gift card online or the Walmart gift card online. Now, you can easily use your Vanilla gift card online by selecting the credit or debit for the type of card and then going ahead and entering in the card details there. Like enter the card's number, expiration date and CVV code just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. For example, you want to use your Vanilla gift card on certain website. For example, I'll show it here on the Play Store, and under payments and subscription I'll head into payment methods here. And you can see there is an option for add credit or debit card, right? You'll get it on every payment method that you get. Suppose you are making the purchase on a website and it asks you to enter in the payment method, and there is the credit or debit card option. You want to head into it. Now here you want to enter in your card number and your CVV code and expiry date and such, like you will do with a regular credit or debit card. Fill in your name and address, then complete your purchase by clicking the buy button. So this way you can easily use Vanilla gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.